In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filter function in Microsoft Excel. The filter function is a powerful dynamic way to pull out only the rows you want from a larger table without manually hiding or deleting anything. If you're using a modern version of Excel with dynamic arrays, you'll see the results spill into as many cells as needed and update automatically when your data changes. First, open Excel and get your workbook ready. It helps to have your data arranged in a neat table with clear headers in the top row. If your data is scattered or has blank header cells, take a moment to tidy it up so Filter can return clean results. Next, look over your data set so you know what you want to extract. For example, maybe you have a sales table and you only want rows for a particular region, date range, or product. Knowing your target makes it easier to set up the formula correctly. Choose the cell where you want the filtered results to appear. This should be an empty cell with enough space below and to the right, because the function will return multiple rows and columns. Click that cell and start typing an equals sign, followed by the function name isFilter. Now, select the range you want returned as results. This is the array argument. It can be an entire table or just specific columns you want to see, such as the product, region, and amount columns. Make sure the array covers only the rows you intend to filter from. After the comma, provide the include argument, which is your logical test. This is the condition that determines which rows are kept. For instance, select the region column that aligns with your array, then type X and point to a cell that contains the region name you care about. You can also use comparisons like la, or for numbers and dates. The include argument must evaluate to true for the rows you want to keep and false for the rest. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Your filtered list will spill into the sheet, showing only the matching rows. If your criteria cell changes or your source data updates, the results refresh automatically. If you want a friendly message when nothing matches, add a third argument after another comma, like no results, before closing the parenthesis. From here, explore more ways to use filter. Combine multiple conditions by multiplying tests for AND logic or adding tests for OR logic. Reference cells for criteria to make interactive filters, and use comparisons for dates and numbers to build flexible, real-time reports. With filter in place, your spreadsheets become faster, cleaner, and far more reliable.